Good morning students. Today in lecture number 14 I will discuss exercise 2.5 question number 8. Question number 8 is factorize this. So I had told earlier also students, first of all you write and learn all the identities. Clear? So you check 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, this question is the expansion of a plus b whole cube. You see very attentively, a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It is in the form of this. It is clear? And first of all students, you write this one in the form of this, because this you can write a plus b whole cube, so this also you can write a plus b whole cube. Now you see very attentively students, 8a cube in place a of a cube, you can write this 8a cube, this is a cube of 2a whole cube and this b whole cube plus 3. Clear? In place of a square, 2a square into b means same, plus 3, a means 2a, b square, b is b. So this you can write a plus b whole cube, this also you can write a means 2a plus b whole cube, and you can write this 3 times. It is clear? And same question, 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2p square plus 1 upon 4p. So using this identity, a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It is in the form of this. So you can write this in the form of this. This 27p cube, this you can write 3p whole cube minus b means this 1 upon 216. 216 is the cube of 6. So 1 upon 216 equal to 1 upon 6 whole cube. Same, minus 3 in place of a, 3p whole square into b means 1 upon 6 plus 3, a means 3p. Then b square, b means 1 upon 6 whole square. If you solve it, you will get this. If you solve it, you will get this. And then you can write this a minus b whole cube. It is clear? Because this you can write a minus b whole cube. So this you can write a minus b whole cube, and this you can write 3 times. Now see, next question number 10 is 27y cube plus 125z cube. Yes. Using this identity here, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. First of all, you learn this identity. Then a means a cube, this 27y cube, this you can write 3y whole cube. 125z cube, this you can write 5z whole cube. And here a plus b, a means 3y, b means 5z, bracket start, then a square, 3y whole square, minus a means 3y, b means 5z, plus b square means 5z whole square. 3y plus 5z, 3 square, 9y square, multiply together this 15yz plus 5 square, 25z square. Clear? So this is the factor of this, is factor of this. If you multiply together, you can get this one. Similarly, 64m cube minus 343m cube, this you can write 4m. 64 is the cube of 4m whole cube, and 343 is the cube of 7n whole cube. Then a cube minus b cube, you equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. You learn this identity. And here in place of a, 4a, in place of b, 7n, then a square 4 m whole square plus ab plus a into b plus b square. In place of b, 7m whole square. Same, 4 square 60, m square multiply together 28mn, 7 square 49 n square. Clear? So thank you.